Hey there, everybody. It's Rick Mount and Mike Hardy from the Paradigm Mortgage Group. And this week, we want to bring you some quick facts about VA home loans or Veterans Affairs Loans programs. We're proud to work for an entity that has spent a lot of time creating a special designation, military mortgage specialist, to make sure that we have all the current training we need to offer all of the latest and greatest programs available to military families and keeping us current on all of the valuable information needed to ensure that they get the best loan opportunities for them. So we wear this emblem proudly and are happy to serve those who served. Let's talk about what's going on with VA and who's eligible. It's a great program out there, but you have to be eligible for it. That's the number one criteria for being qualified to use a VA benefit. Veterans, active duty personnel, certain reservist National Guard members, surviving spouses of persons who die on active duty or die as a result of service connected to disabilities, certain spouses of active duty personnel who are A, missing in action, B, captured in the line of duty by a hostile force, or C, forcibly detained by a foreign government or power. Let's talk about some of the advantages of the VA program. It's one of our favorite programs to offer because it has a few really critical key components that are valuable and offer greater protection and more affordability to our veterans. The first of which is you can buy a home without a down payment. Significant advantage over many of the remaining programs such as FHA or conventional is that VA, if you have full eligibility, will allow you as a veteran to purchase a home with no money down, as long as the price doesn't exceed the appraised value. Of course, you still got to qualify in terms of income and credit. Another significant advantage is you don't need to buy private mortgage insurance. This is a great advantage and makes sure that the veteran has the best and affordability loan programs have to offer. Unlike FHA that requires mortgage insurance paid monthly as part of your payment, actually increases the monthly cost of homeownership. With the VA loan program, there is no private mortgage insurance required, making it more affordable for the veteran and often allowing them to qualify for more home. VA also rules limit the amount that you can be charged for closing costs. This is again an additional protection for the veteran, helping keep their closing costs as low as possible. Closing costs can also be paid by the seller. Another advantage because it allows you, when negotiating the contract, to have the seller maybe contribute towards your closing costs, reducing the amount of cash a veteran may need to actually get into the home. And in some cases, we're able to structure a home loan for a veteran where they have no down payment and no closing costs. Also, the lender can't charge you a penalty fee if you pay the loan off early. This is pretty significant in case you get in a circumstance where you can prepay your mortgage or need to move or relocate. There will be no penalty for early payoff. Another great benefit is if you ever ran into dire straits, the VA may be able to provide some assistance if you have difficulty making payments in the future. There's some other things that you should also know. You don't have to be a first-time buyer. There's a big misconception that it can only be used once or that you have to be a first-time buyer. You can actually reuse the benefit if you're eligible. And VA-backed loans are assumable as long as the person assuming the loan qualifies. This is the distinct advantage in this low-rate market where rates are in the low to mid 3% range. 5 years from now, it could be great for somebody to assume your current loan, maybe increasing the marketability of the veteran's home. We are proud to support our troops and do so in many ways. Offering a great veterans loan or a VA home loan is one way, but we also try and give back both as individuals and as a company by things sponsoring such items as our boot campaign. www.bootcampaign.com is a great way for you to help us give back. And then also Fairway has been privileged over the last few months to actually donate 3 mortgage-free homes to needy veteran families. We continue to appreciate the support the troops have supplied for us, and we want to serve those who have served. So if we can help you in any way, or if you know somebody else we can help, we look forward to working with you along the way. Make it a great week.